A quick one. If you are a new forex trader, you are still struggling, you don't know what to do, listen to this advice. Firstly, do not rush to go live. Try your trading strategy, try it separately in demo, and if you see that you are not consistent in demo, then you can go live. Secondly, develop your own trading strategy. Strategy that suits your own personality. Thirdly, if you need help, look for a mentor that can teach you a strategy that suits your own personality, and redefine that strategy if possible. And lastly, do not be quick to take profits. Sometimes we see little profit as a new or beginner's trader. We just take the profit and not knowing that the profit is still going, and a time will come you will still bear some losses. So these are the trading advice. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook.